How to fix Morgan Stanley Bank's card declined. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Morgan Stanley Bank card if it says declined. So sometimes when you try to make a purchase or do a transaction, your card will say declined, and most of the times it will also give you a reason as to why it has declined. So in this video, we'll go through the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing is insufficient funds. Now let's say you just have $100 on your account and you're trying to make a purchase of $150. In that case, your card will straight up say declined as you don't have the sufficient funds to make the transfer. Now the second reason may be your card has expired or you're entering the incorrect card details such as your card number, expiry date, or your CVV, whatever. The third thing may be you have locked your card, so make sure the card is on and it is unlocked. Now if your card is locked, you will not be able to use it for any transactions and it will say declined. Now the fourth reason may be your withdrawal limits. Now let's say you just have $1,000 withdrawal limit on your card and you've already used all of it. Now even if you try to make a purchase of let's say $10, you will not be able to make it as you have already exceeded the daily card limits. So simply wait for the next day until the limit resets, or you can basically try to increase the limit. Now also make sure if you're doing an international transaction, it is turned on and enabled so that your card will not decline. So that is basically how you fix your Morgan Stanley Bank card declined. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.